So where are the MPs? Why do a state CM have to leave state affairs and run there? You have MPs. MPs should do these things. MPs should bring in funds. MPs should do roads. आज हमको 10 कोटी मेटा या 40 कोटी मेटा for development of the whole constituency. You can get 100 crores for roads for each constituency for whole of South Goa. For electricity you can get through MP funds. For electricity for sewage you can get for every department. आज लोकांनी चौपास है. Why is the chief minister running up and down to the central? Where is that engine?
You
That is the one
seems to have a lot of soft corner for chief minister. नमस्कार, येवकार तुमकां हब एंड काउंटर कार्यावळीन अशे कांय इंटरव्यू आसता जेचे प्रिलूड आसता आनी तेच्या नंतर आनी एक इंटरव्यू येता. आमी पयर इंटरव्यू केलो अमित पालेकर आम आदमी पक्षाचे अध्यक्ष आनी आतां जो इंटरव्यू आसा तो पार्ट 2 म्हणपा जाता, कारण आमी मेळपाक आयिल्ले आसा आम आदमी पक्षाचे आमदार आनी आम आदमी पक्षाचे MP कॅन्डिडेट फ्रॉम सावथ गोवा वेन्झी विएगस. देव बरें करूं सर. जालें कॅम्पेन स्टार्ट काय अजून जावना?
कॅम्पेन स्टार्ट करपाक स्ट्रक्चरींग जें आहा वी हॅव ऑलरेडी स्ट्रक्चर्ड. जे मुद्दे आमी लोकां मुड्या व्हरपा जाय, जे वस्तू आमी लोकांक दाखोवपा जायो की MP कितें करपाक शकता, हे सगल्यो आमी स्ट्रेटजी वायज ऑलरेडी वी हॅव पुट इट डावन. वी जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर द इंडिया अलायन्स अप्रुवल of the face, and I think thereon we will start, but meeting people, talking to people, discussing to people with a following, point of contacts, where to go, how to go. I'm spending these last 2-3 days building up that tempo and accountability towards the MP position.
So mentally prepared जाल तूं to contest?
See, party is something that I am here for, and party लागून आज हांव आहा आनी पार्टीन म्हाका वयर काडला आनी पार्टीन म्हाका जें दर्जो दिला मुगे नांव डिक्लेअर करून. सो आय हॅव टू बी मेंटली प्रिपेर्ड. देर इज नो चॉयस वेदर इट इज येस नो मुखार, बट आय एम वन पर्सन हू गेट्स इन टू एनी मोड टू गेट things activated and executed. So it's all about party, and I really thank Arvind ji for considering me as the South Goa India Alliance face. And yes, we wait as the acknowledgement of the India Alliance partners comes and we move ahead.
Yes no मुखार म्हटल्यार?
Yes no म्हणजे how to start work, when to start work.
Not to whether to start work, no?
No, work has started, but it has to start with the alliance partners, having alliance partners on board, meeting people along with alliance partners, because today it is I have met people without making great promo. Once the alliance partners have acknowledged the face, we will all together try to build it up for Goa and Goans.
एक म्हणजे ना, लेट्स कम बॅक MP मातशें कुशीक दवरया. वन थिंग इज हॅपनिंग, आय हॅव सीन चर्चिल आलेमांव and Wenzy Viegas are agreeing on one thing, is that EVMs can be rigged.
Yes.
And ballot papers, you need to go back to ballot papers. Karmona ग्रामपंचायतीन ग्रामसभेन रिझोल्युशन जालें for which you are the party.
100%. सी रुपेश बाब, आज कितें जाल्लें आज हो BJP पार्टी जी आहा, ही BJP पार्टी आज आपल्या जिखपा जाय म्हूण कितेंय करता. आनी आज तूं चोवपाक गेल जाल्यार in Benaulim constituency, I should be getting more than 10,000 votes. I should have been crossing that double figure. जो आज तूं लोक पळयता, लोक मुजे वांगडा येता, and they are voluntarily telling की हांव तागे बुथार आशिल्लो, हांव तागे टेबलार आशिल्लो, पूण आपूण तुका मत मारलां जाल्यार जोरी तरी, as you said now, TMC was the second, and second by 1,200 or 1,300 votes. सो जोरी तरी इतलो लोक जोरी तरी आज म्हणटा की तुका वोट मारला जाल्यार म्हाका इतलेच कित्याक वोट पडले. सो हुंय तरी EVM रीग जाला आनी ते वोट सेकंड आहा तेका मेळ्ळो न्ही.
चर्चिल इज बेनिफिटेड विथ EVM.
100%.
And that खबर नाही देतो, ही इज सेइंग EVM खातीर आपण
No,
पडटा.
see, I should have been on a 10,000 mark, but I have been there on a 6,400, 6,500 mark. So all these votes have been gone there because they had rigged. Otherwise, I am open. Let us check everything.
Churchill rigged EVM.
See, I will not say EVMs are rigged. The whole idea is we would want the VVPAT trails as well as the EVM machine to be checked. ऑल 100%. इफ नॉट देन वी हॅव टू गो बॅक टू बॅलट. म्हणजे जाल्यार एक जावपा जाय न्ही बॅलटा.
फायदो लेट्स टेक दीस स्पेसिफीक केस, दॅट्स वाय आय आस्क्ड यू अ क्वेश्चन. चर्चिल म्हणटा की बॅलट पेपर आला आपूण जिखता EVMाक लागून आपूण हरता म्हणून. यू आर सेईंग की EVM रीक जाल्या आनी चर्चिलाक मतां गेली म्हणून.
Because my vote and my people whom I see, and see, we have started a very different politics today, Rupesh Babu. Rupesh, you've seen that we are doing politics of work, accountability. We have stopped politics of hatred. So when we have stopped politics of hatred, all people are welcome. There is no discrimination ki tu mak vote marlo marna. I don't even ask. I don't even go to inquire. So te kotta nahi. I don't go to. So people voluntarily come and tell, Baba, am tuk vote marlo, am tege टेबलार आल्ली, आम तेगे बुथार आल्ली, पूण आम vote तुक मारला. गरज ना म्हाका येवन सांगपा. हांव विचारिना ना म्हूण म्हाका खबरूय ना तूं आशिल्लो म्हूण ते बुथार आशिल्लो टेबलार. सो अशें करून जेन्ना लोक येता आनी सांगता, देन खंय तरी म्हाकाय दिसता की EVM जरी तरी रीक जाला आनी EVM रीक जावपाक शकता जाल्यार अशें जातलें न्ही तें.
कोणा फायदो पडलो म्हणटा?
फायदो पडलो कोणाकूय ना, लुकसाण म्हाका जालें.
फायदो कोणा तरी वतलो न्ही तो.
फायदो म्हणजे तो पेडेर जालो म्हणटरी ताका आनी फायदो ना, पूण ताका तागे इज्जत जी आशिल्ली ती दाखोवपा मेळटा आशिल्ली न्ही. जाल्यार पीपल वूड हॅव एक्चुअली शोन हिम दॅट हाऊ मच वोट्स ही हॅज गॉट. सो आय वूड हॅव गॉन अप विथ अ हायर नंबर अँड प्रोबेबली ही वूड हॅव बीन एट द
This is new twist in Goa's EVM versus balloting. तू म्हणटा की चर्चिल आलेमाव is getting benefited with EVMs.
Surely, because I would have crossed 9,000, 10,000. I should have touched these marks because so much of goodwill was there, so much of goodwill we had seen. But खंय तरी दिसलें की एक 1,400 मतान जिखलो, which is also a good lead. But जे लोकांन वोट मारलो ते लोक येवन सांगता, बाबा आपण तुक वोट मारलो.
You think by mistake it went काय ताणें रीक केलें म्हणटा तूं?
रिगिंग जरी तरी जाता जाल्यार रिगिंग केलें जालें ना. कोणी केलें तें खबर ना. वेदर द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ द डे हॅज डन, द पार्टी ऑफ द प्रेझेंट गव्हर्मेंट हॅज डन, हू हॅज डन, वी डोंट नो. बट इफ रिगिंग इज हॅपनिंग अँड देन इफ एवरीबडी क्लेम्स, देन आय थिंक येस, आय एम द वन हू इज डिप्रायव्ड आउट ऑफ दीस. बिकॉज बिईंग अ फर्स्ट टायम आय कूड हॅव हॅड अ बिग ह्यूज मेजॉरिटी. आनी आज लोकांकूय कळटा की वेंजी इतली आज आमी काम करता, लोकां पासत आम इतली वावरता. लोक येवन खूद सांगता. आय एम नॉट इवन आस्किंग देम, वॉलंटरली येवन सांगता. आनी वयल्यान म्हणटा देखून जायचं, वी आर रेडी टू टेल दॅट आम वोट मारलो म्हण तुका. पूण अशें जालां.
आतां EVM जाय तुका MP इलेक्शनाक काय बॅलट पेपर वचपाचें?
See, ballot paper is the best. So ballot is always the best, and I think whether it is MP, whether it is any elections, ballot is the best solution, and ballot is the way ahead which we should do. So people are also rest assured that whatever is happening.
So are you also making this statement कि if there is no ballot paper, I am not contesting MP election? आमकां चर्चिलानी सेम केल्लो statement.
No, see, I come with my head on my shoulders, making statements which is irrelevant. मागीर फकाणां जालीं. I make statements of great value. तुमी चोयलें जालें तें, आय स्पोक अबाउट ड्रोन टेक्नॉलॉजी. जेन्ना उलयलें सगळें फकाणां करपाक लागले. पूण आयज तुमी चोयलें जातलें फ्रॉम मुंबय टू पुणे, समवेअर इन द नेक्स्ट 1 or 2 years, there is already a agreement which has been signed. Drone taxis are going to fly in India. It will also come down to Goa. So I speak with a vision, and this kind of a vision is required for a member of parliament, for legislators. जे हांव उलयतां, I will not just speak. हांव बसपाना MPक जरी तर बॅलेटा घालपाक. I mean, this is something which is not in favor of constitution, not in favor of anything. We have
You
to
will
speak.
contest.
See, contesting is party's decision. Party has put my name as a India Alliance face. We are waiting for the India Alliance partner to acknowledge the face. And yes, we have to contest. The whole motto is to defeat BJP. To defeat BJP, who is not performing. If you see today, every time Pramod Sawant, the Chief Minister of the state, has to run to Amit Shah to take any appointments, have to run. We have seen photographs. कोण युनियन मिनिस्टर एक CRZ मिनिस्टरा मेळ्ळा, कोण आनी कसलो ST मिनिस्टरा मेळ्ळा. सो वेर आर द MPs? Why do a state CM have to leave state affairs and run there? You have MPs. MPs should do these things. MPs should bring in funds. MPs should do roads. आज आमकां 10 कोटी मेळटा या 40 कोटी मेळटा फॉर डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ द होल कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. You can get 100 crores for roads for each constituency for whole of South Goa. For electricity you can get through MP funds. For electricity for sewage you can get. For every department, tourism, education, you have to bring in MP funds from the center. There are so many schemes, but that engine only is broken down. आणि only one engine is running. तो बाबरो सेंट्रलूय सांबाळटा, स्टेटूय सांबाळटा. असली जाल्या तेगे गोश्ट, and that is the biggest failure. आज लोकांनी हें चोवपा जाय, वाय इज द चीफ मिनिस्टर रनिंग अप एंड डावन टू द सेंट्रल, वेर इज दॅट इंजीन?
You seems to have lot of soft corner for chief minister. तो बाबडो स्टेटूय सांबाळटा, सेंटरूय सांबाळटा,
No, it was a-
बाबडो
it-
म्हणटा.
it was a word of-
People were always saying Wenzi is very close to chief minister.
See, one thing is like this. He is from a party, I am from a party. Once election is done, we have to work as a team to do benefit for Goa and Goans. Today, if we do not work as a team, today if we do not run to get the things done, because it is 365 days. After 365, in that 60 days goes for elections. In that another 60 days go for weekend holidays. So we got hardly around 240 days. With 240 days, we have to pass the files. We have to get the work order done. If the work order is not done before 31st of March, everything comes back. So this is the whole issue. We have to run that process. And that process can be run only if you have coordination and work oriented and enthusiastic leaders.
So you have enthusiastic chief minister.
I would say I am enthusiastic, and I would force anybody in that chair to be as enthusiastic as me and push them to sign all the proposals that I take across, because that is finally for the people.
ओके, बॅक टू MP. दोन्ही एमपीनी काम करू ना म्हणटा तू. फ्रांसीस सार्दिनानूय काम करू ना म्हणटा तू. तुझे अलायन्स पार्टनर तो. सो नाव बिफोर मेकिंग एनी स्टेटमेंट, रिमेंबर यू आर नॉट इन 2022 इलेक्शन्स, यू आर इन 2024 इलेक्शन्स.
As it is very important that what COVID has shown us, lot of people lives could have been saved. MP position is such that everyone needs to have a feeling of what is an MP. It is nothing related to the person. See, ek ki zyada, when we are not together, we speak about what is right or what is wrong, but that remains the same. Only what is different now is we are coming into a new marriage. एक नवे काजार जाता तेन्ना तुवें पास्ट कितें केल्लें गूण, तुजी गूण मुजी गूण उलयन फायद ना, बिकॉज तें जाण जावन आमी काजाराक मुखार सरले न्ही. सो परत, बट दॅट डज नॉट मीन वॉट यू हॅव डन इन द पास्ट इट इज गॉन.
यू ओनली सेड आम्ही काढणार तो विषय की बाबा ताणी एमपीनी काय करू ना, ऑल दिस थिंग्स.
what I'm
We
saying
never
is,
even asked you ki whether Sardin is performing or non-performing.
No, overall if you see, the BJP Sarkar's MP is in a more better position to perform and more better position to deliver things which he has not delivered, and he is not delivering even till today as we talk. Elections are, his name is not announced for the north. He is not sure maybe whether he is going to contest or no, but still he is not performing. Still you see the chief minister running around and getting union ministers
all
on the
these
table.
things what you talk seems to be like a BJP leader. एका वटेन तरी आम आदमी पार्टी म्हणटा की BJP सरकार इज नॉट परफॉर्मिंग एट द सेंटर. अनदर वे तू म्हणटा की BJP सरकारच MP जे मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट आसा BJP सरकारान आर इन अ बेटर पोजिशन टू डिलिव्हर. म्हणजे
They should deliver.
नरेंद्र मोदी इज अ गुड प्रायम
So
मिनिस्टर.
it's not about Narendra Modi is a good prime minister or a bad prime minister. Here the question is, you work with accountability. Your designation is an MP. You should work your job.
सो वेदर BJP सरकार नॉन BJP सरकार.
So anybody who is there in that position has to work. So
आय
today,
एम ऑन युअर स्टेटमेंट की BJP सरकाराचे एमपी सरकाराचे एमपी ते काँग्रेस असू TMC असू एज इन अ बेटर पोजिशन टू वर्क.
they should do the work. They are in a better position because they have got direct access to the union ministers.
सो BJP नासल्यावरय डायरेक्ट एक्सेस
So that is what. So either way, everyone has to work with accountability. So that accountability is not seen first of all in the north when you are more closer. Engine दोन आसा न्ही. सावथा कितें जाता, सावथा एकूच इंजीन हें जे एमपीचें आहा एकूच इंजीन. So probably he is not getting access, or what that we do not know, that he has to tell us why he is not able to do, what are his difficulties, तेक block करताय काय, तेक कितें करताय काय. But in the north we do not see anything. Nobody is going to block you. So why is he not performing? Why is he not doing things? So here we see that आज म्हाका दिसता साउथ गोवा सीट was anti BJP. आज नॉर्थ गोवाचेंय सीट anti BJP जावपा जाय. Why? Because that MP has not done his role. MP सीटूय आहा तें नॉर्थाचें आज येवपा जाय. It has to come out of the BJP hands, and then you will see performance of MP. Today government करता ते different गजाल, where they are lacking. That report card is already been seen. We have shown in the assembly how they are performing not. But where MP is concerned, that too of the ruling party, he is not performing. That too being support from the same party. You are not doing anything, and now again you want to contest in the north and you want to prove.
You
So
are
I think
seafarer's voice right now. म्हणजे even before you became MLA, we have seen you as a seafarer. Our first interview as a seafarer. तेन्नाय बी गव्हर्मेंटान तुका मदत केल्ली लोकांक हाडपा खातीर. इट वॉज सेम BJP गव्हर्मेंट वीच हेल्प्ड यू ड्युरींग कोवीड. नाव यू आर सेईंग ते बीजेपी गव्हर्मेंट भायर वचपा जाय आनी दुसरें गव्हर्मेंट येवपा
द
जाय.
प्रॉब्लम इज फाटी लागोन लागोन हेल्प करते आनी विथ युअर ओन इंटेन्शन्स एंड ओन विल हेल्प करते दोन डिफरंट गजाल्यो. Today, when we do things, we just walk by the road, and if I see that there is something wrong and which I have to address it, I do it by myself. So there are a lot of things, everything you cannot do it that way. But today, by pushing the government, saying I need help, I need this, we need to bring the seafarers back home, company contact करून तेमकां आमी contingency plan दिलो की how to do 1, 2, 3 ABC, how to do contingency here in Goa, how to do at the international airport and how to do from the ship. हो सगळो प्लॅन दिलो, तांकां पुश केलो. पुश करून देखून तामगेलो 100% सपोर्ट नाशिल्लो, बट द सपोर्ट केम इन विथ अ डिलेड एक्शन. सो यू सी एवरीवेर इज द सेम थिंग टुडे इन एवरी इश्यू. द इंटेंशन ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट फर्स्ट हँडेड इंटेंशन ना. यू हॅव टू पुश, यू हॅव टू टेल देम दॅट म्हारगाय जाली. यू टू पुश देम फॉर पेट्रोल. पयशे सुबे जाला, पयशे सुबे जाला, पयशे सुबे जाला. मागीर 10 रुपये वाडयता आनी मागीर 2 रुपये कमी करता. यू सी दॅट इंटेंशन इज नॉट देर. अरे म्हारग जालो म्हणून तुकाय खबर आहा, तुमगेलोय जो लोक आहा तो तुमगेलोय फ्यूल घालता. यू हॅव टू रिड्यूस इट, यू हॅव टू फायंड अ वे आउट.
यू शूड बी थँकफूल टू विकसीत भारत फॉर अ रिझन की तुज्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींतले जितले रस्ते आहा पळय ते आतां इतले सुळसुळीत जाल्ले आहा की इतले स्मूथ पावता. आनी थँक्स टू विकसीत भारत इन द सेन्स की हांगच्यान म्हाका दिसता प्रायम मिनिस्टर वचपाचो आशिल्लो. आय डोंट नो वॉट इट इज ONGC रोडा खातीर. सो यू शूड बी सपोर्टींग प्रायम मिनिस्टर एंड इज विजन ऑफ विकसीत भारत.
I support the people of India for paying their taxes on Colgate, on everything on everyday basis, due to which that fund has gone to the central, and from that central fund Viksit Bharat fund has been allotted. So I thank the people of India. I thank you for paying your taxes. I thank all your reporters. I thank the cameramen here for buying everything and paying tax. And तो पैसो विकसित भारता पावलो, and तो विकसित भारता पावन आज मुगे रस्ते जाले. I don't thank anybody else. It is you and me whose money has gone there as GST, and तो पैसो आज बाणाले constituency रस्ते जाले. So I always say roads and all is not a favor on anyone. It is our money which is gone there, and we should all thank each other for paying all these taxes, huge taxes. आमकां आनी कांयच मेळना. Half our life is gone there. आनी हे पयशे पूण येता ते मॅक्सिमम बेनिफीट घेवपा जाय. एंड इट इज नॉट दॅट द प्रायम मिनिस्टर वेन डिसायड ओ नो. इट इज दॅट वी रिक्वेस्टेड, वी पुश्ड टू मेक शुअर दॅट वी कॅन गेट आवर वर्क डन, बिकॉज वी आर ऑल्सो पेड टॅक्सीज न्हू. प्रायम मिनिस्टर गोरे गेलो ना जातलो, पूण जे डेलिगेट्स आसले, सावदी आरामको आशिल्लो, भूमी आर्मड आशिल्ले, सगळे ऑल बिग बिग कंपनीज हू हॅव कम हियर, दे ऑल स्टेड इन माय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी, रायट फ्रॉम कोलवा रायट अप टू मोबोर. दे ऑल स्टेड. दॅट मीन्स दे हॅव युटिलायज माय रोड्स. So I should get some benefit, and that is what I portrayed, and I managed to get some work done.
One more thing, take this as a compliment, okay, not as a tricky question. We have seen की 5 वर्सां जे काम करपा ते 2 वर्सां सद्या हांगा जाला. बिकॉज द वे वेन वी वॉक वी सॉ डिस्पेन्सरी आसा तुजी, आय क्लिनीक आसा, इयर क्लिनीक आसा, देन रोड्स आर देर. आतां हें केल्या उपरांत यू आर एबंडनिंग युअर कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी बिकॉज यू हॅव ड्रिम्स ऑफ बीइंग इन दिल्ली. आनी बाणावलेकार जे रिगींग जावं नॉन रिगींग जावं कितें जावं EVM तुका वोट मारला ते.
रुपेश बाब कितें जाता, शिपींग जे कोणाक कोट्टा न्हू तेका एबंडन नांवाचें डेफिनेशन कोट्टा. एबंडन म्हणल्यार कितें? वेन डू यू अबंडन अ शिप इन शिपींग टर्मिनोलॉजी, यू कॅन यूज दॅट वर्ड फॉर मेकिंग इट लूक नायस. लॉट ऑफ पीपल हॅव बीन युजींग दीस वर्ड. बट अबंडन म्हणल्यार कितें? अबंडन इज यूज्ड वेन अ शिप इन डिस्ट्रेस, युअर क्रू कॅनॉट बी सेव्ड. दॅट टायम कॅप्टन जो आहा बोटीर, लायफ बोटीर सगळे क्रुआ घालता आनी देंवता. ती बोट बुडपाची आसा, उज लागलो, कितें जावं, यू अबंडनिंग. टुडे वी आर सेलिंग इन अ नायस स्मूथ ओशन, एज यू सेड. यू सी, दिस वॉज माय रिपोर्ट कार्ड. वी गॉट
You are sitting with that.
we got five health profiles, four
healthcare model.
Correct.
Okay. Yeah, I saw the dispensary.
So we are doing cataract operation free. Cataract operation आज खुंचे health center कोणूच free करना. We are doing cataract operation free for my constituency people, and 50% discount for anybody from anywhere in Goa. तूं देखून जरी कोणूय तुमचो फॅमिलींतलो आसा आनी कॅटरेक्ट करूं सोदता, यू प्लीज ब्रिंग देम हियर. We will do 50% discount for you. So that is the arrangement that we have done. I am the first person, I can say, who have started as something called as Banale Amdar Yojana, where education is concerned. Banale Amdar Yojana.
बाणावले आमदार शिकवण विकास शिष्यवृत्ती.
Yeah. So that is called as education.
हाँ.
So Benavli
MLA scholarship for top 5 SSC HSSC toppers from Benavlim constituency. 3 SSC HSSC toppers from each village of Benavlim constituency.
Yes. So that means you can see 7 3s are 20 plus 7 plus 5. So everywhere you have 26 plus 26. You have got around 52 toppers who have been felicitated.
MLA scholarship for best overall deserving male and female students in sports.
Yes, all the schools. So we've got
हे
around.
जाता काय हाजे बोर्डाचेरच
No, it is happening. It is acknowledged. It is done. People in the constituency know. It has been already approved.
हे
this
तू
year.
बॉल्सांतल्यान घालता
No, we are getting donors. We are getting donors, and the donors pay them. And so it's a format. You see,
ओके
आज जोरी तोरी we have started something called as Gurjiwantang Aadhar, and these are the other various works.
गरजेचा आधार सपोर्ट द नीडी स्कीम रूफ टॉप रेन वॉटर हार्वेस्टिंग
All my schools have got rooftop rainwater harvesting,
इलिमिनेशन ऑफ रिलीजियस इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स
which we have
या
started.
वर्षी करताले गव्हर्नमेंट
Government करताले, but सगळे जाल्यो.
हां
See, we are doing a fixed pattern, equal treatment for all. देवळां, मस्जिदां आणि इगोज्यो सगळ्यांक.
जिओ टॅगिंग ऑफ सॅपलिंग्स फॉर वन महोत्सव
3,500 झाडां आमी आतां 2 वर्सांनी वी हॅव जिओ टॅग, आउट ऑफ वीच सक्सेसफुली इवन इफ यू से 50% प्लांट्स आर देर. सो आय नो तुवें म्हजे कडेन आंब्याचें सॅम्पल वयल्लें आनी घरा कडेन रोयल्लें. सो इन माय डेटा आय नो रुपेशा कडेन आंब्या सॅम्पल आहा.
सपोर्ट द नीडीज
Where I will ask you, Rupesh, give me 1,500 rupees. I am giving around 25-30 kilo of ration
ओके
to a needy person, and I will introduce you. You don't only give me the money.
हां
You give the money, and you have to be on the day when we are doing the distribution. With your hands, you will give the needy person. Just 1,500. Won't you give me?
हय
And then I will introduce you to a needy family. From there on, you want to do any charity to that needy family, you can do it directly.
सो वी
that's
वर
the
ऑन
concept.
अबंडनिंग वेनावलिम
So Benaulim is never being abandoned because it is on a very smooth sailing with so much of work which is been done. I think an aggressive style of working has led with an output of 5 years of work is been today seen delivered in less than 2 years. So in a smooth sailing you never abandon. You hand over the entire thing because your management wants you to take over a new ship from a yard delivery or from an existing post. So that is the terminology is there is not abandon. Is you're handing over your vessel to a new command, and the new command comes from the same management which is the Aam Aadmi
So
Party.
who's new command?
So it's the time which tell us whoever is the new command will have my full support, will have the party's full support, and everything will remain intact. So it is going to be a dual benefit. The party is going to hold on the fort. The new command is going to be of the Aam Aadmi Party. We are going to have another place probably for the new MLA office. This can get converted to a MLA MP office. So that means we will have double engine in Benaulim.
पण आमकां म्हटलेल्या लोकांनी की बाणावले वेंजी म्हणून निवडून आयलो आम आदमी पार्टी जाल्यार निवडून येवपा नासलो
See, people sentiments, people love is always there for me because of my style of working. And when I was new, I worked in this constituency and the party grew me up. So it has been an Aam Aadmi Party vote bank. Yes, a few section of it will be for me. Today, everybody likes the style, the way we treat people, the way we do not discriminate, the way we handle businesses, we allow our locals to do businesses. हम कोणा धमकी दिना, हम दादागिरी करना. So this has all stopped. Somewhere there is peace for everybody. So that liking has come out with these kind of
तुझी
answers.
कोलवा
but
पुलिसा
everybody
कडेन
will
मात
stay.
कितें लव हेट कितें आहा दिसता म्हाका जाल्यार कोलवा पुलिसां कडेन
No, it's not about love and hate. The problem here today is arrogance. Arrogance in every section of government servants and government departments has gone up. I think Amgalo Pramod Bab had given one nice bite where he said, "Goinkaru goinkaranchi हे करता." So that means what? Today I'm
प्रमोद म्हळ्यार प्रमोद आचार्य
Pramod Acharya.
प्रमोद सावंत न्ही
Not Samant. Pramod
क्लॅरिफाय
Yeah, Pramod Acharya बाबान आमकां
गोंयकारच गोंयकाराची वाट कितें जाल्या
वाट लायता. सो दॅट इज द होल थिंग. पुलीस डिपार्टमेंटान जावं खंयच्याय पुलीस स्टेशनार जावं या गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टान भायले ना आमगेल्या आनी आमगेले आमकां त्रास करता. इफ यू गो एंड सी टुडे द ट्रॅफिक सेल हाऊ मच ऑफ न्यूसेंस दॅट दे आर डुईंग. कितली त्रास जाता. कोलवा इज गेटिंग एम्प्टी डे बाय डे. वाय शूड वी सफर जस्ट बिकॉज यू हॅव बीन गिवन एन ऑफिस देर आनी तुका पयस पडटा म्हणून वचपाक तूं थिंगा उबो रावता आनी सगळ्यांक त्रास करता.
सगळो त्रास म्हणजे हेल्मेट घातलो लायसन ना जाल्यार कसलो त्रास
हेल्मेट हाडल्यार देखून थांबयता तुका मागीर त्रास न्ही.
लायसन दाखय
अरे वॉट इज द सस्पेक्ट. यू नो आय हॅव अ लायसन्स ऑर नो आनी तुका कळ्ळें हेल्मेट घालून आसतना तुका डावट मारलो आनी यू आर स्टॉपिंग एवरीबडी. वॉट आर यू डे फॉर. वॉट इज द रोल.
आतां कायदे मांडप ना म्हणटा
कायदे मांड बट कायदे हूंय मांडो. सकाळ सांयसा कायदे फकत कोलवा सर्कलाचेर कायदो बिकॉज युअर ऑफिस इज क्लोज बाय आनी यू आर लेझी टू ट्रॅवल. whole you have been given whole area right from Majorda till here. You can go so many places. आणि कायदे म्हणटा ते फकत तालावून दिवपाक. You can always stop me. Don't give me talao. Give me a chocolate and say, please, it's for your safety. People have started this, no? Other departments, other states, they have started this. You do that, no?
चॉकलेट घेऊन थोडेच ते आयकतले फाल्यां म्हणटा आनीक चॉकलेट
Start
मेळटली म्हणून
me. Start. अनेक दिवन दिया. तुका आवडली मार्गे chocolate दी म्हणा. You give. Start. See, somewhere down the line, no, people are losing faith in these people.
You are lawmaker, Venjay. You are speaking about not abiding the law.
I'm not telling you don't abide the law. Abide the law. But unnecessarily don't harass people in the name of abiding law. Today harassment is happening in the name of abiding the law. हांव बायकान वयता हांव हेल्मेट घालना तुका कळ्ळें मुका लायसन्स ना म्हणून आनी यू आर स्टॉपिंग मी विदाउट मी डुईंग एनीथींग हांव आलोन दोलो नसना यू हॅव अ डावट कॉप मारले आहा काय म्हणून काय ना सारको चलयता सगळें चलय तूं म्हाका थांबयता ट्रिपल सीट ना काय ना असली गजाल जाता सी I am very much in favor of following law, following rules, but there is always a way. We are changing. We cannot always do that stick style. There is always verbal communication to address the locals, to address the people. And you cannot, टुरिस्टां एक एक पाट म्हणटाय ते आमी लोकलां थांबयनाय टुरिस्टांक अरे टुरिस्टां थांबयत रावतलो तूं टुरिस्ट will not come, no. Why today you have seen tourist downfall आहा why will they start coming everywhere आम कर्नाटका वयताय जाल्यार आमकां थांबयताय रे बिस्त्याची कोण थांबयना न्ही they allow you no to go.
So now when are we meeting next? Your manifesto?
Manifesto
MP's
is,
manifesto, South Goa MP
the
manifesto.
manifesto is already ready. It's just waiting for the
Ready सुद्धा
Yeah, the manifesto is ready because we have been given last 3-4 days.
4 दिसांनी.
आज दिसांनी manifesto is ready because रुपेश आज कितें जाल्लें आज सेंट्रल टॉपिक्स असेंब्ली डिस्कस जाता असेंब्ली सेंट्रल टॉपिक डिस्कस करून कितें जातलें सुटावो जातलें ना पूण डिस्कस जाता जस्ट टू शो द पीपल ऑफ गोवा दॅट वी हॅव अ कन्सर्न टू सॉल्व दीस इश्यूज ते सेंट्रल टॉपिकूच पुरो मॅनिफेस्टो बरोवपाक गेलो whole thing Madai is been sold out. Sound Act has to be amended today. Hold on, so many things are there. CRZ laws which are there has to be amended today. कोणूच करना ST community लागून आमकां जाय Indian passport holders, Portuguese passport holders is a big cloud which is now waiting to be acknowledged in the right direction. So why these things are not being sorted out? Why do people have to agitate? So many visionaries म्हणा तामगे पयस फसलेलो आहा कामाक्षी म्हणा तांगे पयस फसलेले आहा पर्ल्स ग्रीन फॉरेस्ट PACL म्हणा तांगे पयस फसलेले आहा सो पीपल आर ऑलरेडी गोईंग ऑन अ डावनफॉल लोकांक पयस बुडलेले आहा लोकांक त्रास जाल्ले आहा नॉट गेटिंग सॉल्व सेंट्रल टॉपिक्स टू बी इमिजिएटली रिजॉल्व काजर जाता आमगेली आतां 10 बंद अरे 10 बंद अलाव करता पूण इल्लिगली सो इल्लिगल म्हणजे कळ्ळें तुका समवे करप्शन इज देयर legally kora mare
So your manifesto is ready.
Manifesto is ready. Most of the points I have already spoken. What I have given you the
So we are meeting you on the day when you are releasing the manifesto.
Yes, thank you.
मधी स्पीड ब्रेकर येना जाल्यार पुरो.
Whatever it is, we take it in a sporting spirit. People of Goa do know that MP has to be more dynamic. MP has to work. MP has to get in funds double times and 10 times what the MLA gets funds, which means if MLA is getting 40 crores for all overall development in various segments PWD, WRD सगळ्या घालून समज एक 40 crores invest करपाक the state government has said so 40 multiplied by 20 so we are talking about at least 800 crores which the state government is talking about so MP can get more than that so MP has the capacity of getting 2,000-3,000 crores for the whole of South which he is to get and he must get it and distribute it. We are not talking about MP fund. We are talking about central government fund towards PWD roads, central government funds towards electricity, central government fund towards sewage, central government funds towards tourism, central government funds towards education development. So all these central government funds should start pouring, which has never been done. And this is going to be the change of politics where MP is concerned.
देव बरें करूं तुम्ही वेळ दिलो म्हणून ह्या आशिल्ले वेन्झी विएगस इंडिया अलायन्स कॅन्डिडेट फॉर सावथ गोवा पार्लमेंटरी सीट आनी तांचो अजेंडा तांचो मॅनिफेस्टो तांणी सांगले ते प्रमाणे आसा आनी बिफोर वी वायंड अप आनी एकदां सांगता फॉर यू ऑल्सो आमचो इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट सस्पेंड केलो फॉर द रिजन्स बेस्ट नोन टू इंस्टाग्राम ओनली वी हॅड 35,000 सबस्क्रायबर्स रायट नाव वी आर ओनली ऑन 300 सबस्क्रायबर्स दॅट मिन्स वी आर ओनली 1% ऑफ वॉट वी वर सो जे लोक पळयता तांणी गोवा न्यूज हब _GNH हाजेर वचून इंस्टाग्रामाचेर आमकां परत रिकनेक्ट जाया आमी तुमचे कडेन पावूं शकना जाल्यार दीस इज अ मॅसेज आनी you'll see many more interviews and we will meet him again once his manifesto is out. Keep watching us and देव बरें करूं तुमकां परत एकदा तुमी पळयतात हब एनकावंटर ऑन युअर फेवरेट वेबसायट www.goanewsup.com. कीप वॉचिंग अस.